19-year-old Damiel Belfon of Sandal Street, Grenville, St. Andrew, made his first court appearance at the Grenville Magistrate Court this morning to face charges in connection with the weekend death of 18-year-old Dominque. Belfon was charged with non-capital murder and was represented by attorney-at-law Jerry Edwin. Edwin, in speaking on behalf of his client, stated that his next move is to seek bail, which he thinks is not going to be a hard task as the 19-year-old has no prior record. He says the matter is not short of self-defense.
Damiel managed to retrieve the small knife he used at the fisheries to protect himself, and he acted in self-defense. As I said, Damiel had no inclination for violence. He has no history of violence. His school principal, the teachers, the community will tell you this was a very quiet young man. I am certain our Director of Public Prosecution, once he sees this file, as he did in the case of young Miss Ambrose, another matter here in Grenville, I am sure he will not oppose our application for bail.
The lawyer is confident that in the end his client will be cleared of all charges.
We repose with absolute confidence that Mr. Belfon will be exonerated of this charge of non-capital murder. We are saying his actions were justified. As a result, acting in self-defense, we think a jury of his peers, should it come to that, will find that he is not guilty of non-capital murder. Murder is an intentional crime. Mr. Belfon was protecting his precious life.
Family members of the accused were heard screaming and crying outside of the courthouse as they watched the teenager enter and exit the court. Belfon was remanded to her Majesty's prison and is scheduled to make his next court appearance on March 28th. Standing outside of the Grenville Magistrate Court, I am Rena Pear Thomas reporting.